Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Make sure you own the domain and have registrar login. This avoids delays later. Once done, pick a DNS provider, managed service for simplicity, self-host for control, or cloud for scale, and note their requirements. Next, allocate a static IP or install a dynamic DNS client if your server IP changes. Finally, create an admin account on the DNS host and keep credentials secure before proceeding to zone creation. Now you build the DNS zones and add records that make services resolvable. You'll create a forward zone for your domain and a reverse pointer zone for IPs. The reverse PTR helps mail deliverability and diagnostics. Add a or AA for hosts, CNAME for aliases, MX for mail, and TXT for verification like SBF or DKIM. Set sensible TTL values and configure SOA and NS records. Make sure to publish the NS delegations at your registrar so the world can find your name's servers. Finish by hardening, validating, and troubleshooting the setup. Enable DNSSEC to protect integrity and use SIG for secure zone transfers if you have secondary servers. Apply rate limiting and ACLs on the resolver. Then test with DIG or ENSLOOKUP, confirm records from multiple locations, and check DNSSEC validation. If things go wrong, first verify registrar delegation and name server IPs, then inspect firewalls, DNS server logs, and zone file syntax. Make small edits, re-sign zones if needed, and retest until clean resolution occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.